Today we are in Orlando, just a couple days after Black Friday, so it's very crowded out.
Yes.
But we're gonna have kind of two videos here. We are at IKEA.
Woohoo.
Love IKEA.
Love it.
And in case you've never been to IKEA, we're gonna show you around. But this first video is actually gonna be us eating at IKEA, because if you've never eaten at IKEA, you're missing out.
You are.
Inexpensive, very good food. So the video you're watching now is going to be the food at IKEA, and then at a later date we're going to film going around IKEA, that you can watch that one. But I'm hungry, I'm excited, we love eating here.
Yes.
Let's go check it out. We're not going to show you right now any of the tips and tricks we have. We're just going to show you where you get the food, what the food looks like, and how good the food is, and the price. You can see this is where you enter. Oh, and it does show the Swedish Restaurant, Monday through Thursday 10 to 8, Friday and Saturday 10 to 8:30, Sunday 10 to 7:30. They also have a bistro that's down below, but we're actually just going to the restaurant, which is, the restaurant's going to be up this escalator. So as you enter, head on up. As you get to the top, you'll see this arrow over here. It says take a right. And actually, here's a picture of what we get. We share it because it's plenty to eat. But the Swedish meatballs. Oh, it's so good. You can kind of see some more of their other items, but there's plenty of places to sit. It's actually very crowded today. It's never usually this busy in here, but a couple days after Black Friday, it's gonna be. Then all you do is you walk up here, grab a tray, get your food, pay, sit down. You start here. Again, it's always usually just a walk up, so it is a busy day. Start here, you can see you can pull stuff out of this area, and then you get your meatballs up there. Yeah, they have the chocolate cake back. Yes, we have to get the chocolate cake. Then right over here is where you grab your tray. You can get a drink over here, but they also have a whole drink selection, fountain beverage for $1.75. They do have a very interesting drink right here. Huh. Definitely recommend the chocolate cake. $2.99. That one maybe?
This one?
Yeah. Or that one's thicker if you want it, since we're sharing.
I'm not gonna eat that.
Okay. That cake's good too.
Yeah. But this is better.
Yeah, that's the best. You can see over here they've got some salad, some wraps. You can get the chicken to add into your salad. Oh yeah, that does look like a good Cobb salad. So again, you add the chicken to your salad if you want chicken in it. And over here they have
That's like their
shrimp
shrimp salad.
salad.
And that's on the shrimp salad.
Oh yeah, right there. Showing the menu again, they do have a kids meal, but the Swedish meatballs, $7.99 for, okay, 8 meatballs, $6.99, 12 meatballs, $7.99, 16 meatballs, $8.99, and you can easily share it. And if you don't want the meat, they do have plant-based meatballs. So they're plant balls, $7.49, a little cheaper. Salmon fillet and veggie balls. Over here they have some bakery items. Ooh, look at those. Some chips. Now they used to do broccoli with the meatballs. It shows there's broccoli with the chicken, so I wonder if we can get broccoli. Oh, they only have peas? Only have peas today. And you can see add 4 meatballs to any entree for $1. Again, we're gonna share it. And you get the mashed potatoes, you get the peas, and then you get the lingonberry jam, which is very, very good. Oh yeah, with a little flag. And then over here they have chicken tortilla soup. That's the soup of the day. A little side salad.
A little salad is good.
Is it? There's some of the dressing you can get. And then we're each gonna get 2 cups to get our drinks. And normally if it's really, really busy, they have a whole other side, but it's blocked off right now. which this is actually pretty busy. What?
It's holiday weekend, so maybe not as many workers.
That's true. Grab a little glass. Grab a little glass. Here's what we have so far. And then you just wait in line and you pay up here, and I'll tell you how much it is once we actually pay. And over there they have like these little tray carts that you can get, kind of like in front of us here, where you can load up a couple trays, 3 trays, and push instead of carry. They do have these little things. Oh, that's cool. You're getting cranberry and vanilla. Ooh, that sounds really good.
Little tomte guys, like the little.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's get some. I'll show you the drinks here in a second, but we're gonna go. Oh, we can do drinks while we're over here. So I think we both get the lingonberry, but I also pair it with pear. So there's ice. And it's free refills too, but yes, that's the best combination right there. Oh.
No.
Oh, we'll have to go to the other side. Audible, other side. And then also they have like coffee and tea. Little coffee maker right here. All right, let's try this side. Hopefully they've got it. They are all out of lingonberry. Are you kidding me? No.
Oh, this is so good.
We'll just do pear today. Weird today?
It tastes just like carbonated water.
Okay, well maybe let's try raspberry maybe. Maybe they're out.
That looks.
Let's give that a try. Well,
Yeah, that
okay. It's gonna be a raspberry type of day today. Man, pear and lingonberry is the best, but that's okay. You do have to grab your own utensils, which we've got. We're gonna come back here out of the way. We did inform a worker that the lingonberry was out, so hopefully on our refill, we'll get to get some. I'm excited about those, are you? That was really good. Okay, we've got meatballs, peas, mashed potatoes, and lingonberry sauce. Got the chocolate cake, our 2 drinks, and the total was $17.22. What do those look like? That's hilarious. They're good? I want to try one.
I think you'll like it a lot. They're not like hard either.
I won't get focused.
They're easy to chew.
There we go. All right. Those are good. Mmm.
They're not like super sticky and chewy.
Those are good. The receipt showed $1.69 for those. Let's try the raspberry.
It's pretty good.
That's not bad at all. Again, pear and lingonberry, maybe we'll get to do it. I think they're gonna work on refilling it right now. But raspberry's pretty decent. I already know this is very good, but here you go. It's stinking good. You can also buy frozen meatballs downstairs too, but every time it's stinking good. I would give this meal a stinking good, especially for the price. The mashed potatoes. Oh yeah, those were good. Peas. I like peas. Timber does not like peas, so comment below if you like peas or if you dislike peas. Lingonberry sauce. Yeah, all very good. Chocolate cake will be a little later once we actually finish eating our meal. You can see we cleaned that up pretty good. And I'm decently full. We still have the chocolate cake, so this is a perfect ratio for both of us to share. So they ended up not refilling the lingonberry yet, so it looks like we won't get to show you that, but it's very good, just trust us. Now for the delicious cake. I mean, it's very, very good. Here's the cake. Oh man. It's stinking good cake. It's so good. It's been a while since we've gotten it because they didn't have it last time. Stinking good, right?
It's like the fudge icing or whatever the heck that is. It makes it really good.
It's so good. And then when you're all finished, I usually throw like the paper stuff in the trash. There's little trays over there. We'll show you what you set it on before you leave. Then you take it over here to this thing and you just slide it up here. Just like that. And then to leave, you kind of have to come over here to these stairs, which you can see there's the little cafeteria area there. There are some restrooms. Shows restrooms right up there going that way. But then to leave, you come down here. So it's not a very easy way to get out. You have to do like a shortcut through lighting. And then up there you can see exit to the left. Then it takes you down here to like the little warehouse area. And if you take a left, you can see the exit straight ahead. then here's the exit. All right, that was our trip out to IKEA to eat some of their delicious, stinking good food, relatively inexpensive food. It's good.
It is very good.
I would definitely,
One of my favorites.
yeah, I would definitely recommend. There's an IKEA in Tampa and an IKEA in Orlando, so I would definitely recommend going to one and eating some of their food for lunch. I'm full.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
I'll be hungry again after we walk through the store.
It's always good to bring snacks with you to this place because you can spend some time in there. But stay tuned for a future video of us showing you what it's like to be in IKEA. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.